A trading firm and its customs broker are facing smuggling charges before the Department of Justice. This is in connection with their misdeclaration of counterfeit goods worth 60 million pesos. More from Noel Perfecto.
Customs Chief Rufy Biazon has filed charges of violation of the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines against Telsphere International Trading Corporation after the firm was caught smuggling counterfeit items such as shoes, clothing, motorcycle parts, and beauty products. Together with Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence Danny Lim, Port of Manila Collector Rogel Gatchalian, IPRD Chief Zaide Guzman, and CIIS Director Dino Tuazon, Commissioner Biazon assured the public that the 40-footer container vans would not be allowed to leave the port, and these vans would be seized in favor of the government.
Itong mga shipment na dumating ay mula sa China. Ang nilalaman ay mga assorted products na either violation ng IPR laws o kaya ay walang mga kaukulang permiso. So ito ay hinuli ng ating intelligence group ng Bureau of Customs. Isa na naman pong accomplishment na maipapagmalaki natin sa mga kababayan. No?
Biazon also directed the Guzman and Tuazon to intensify their monitoring of the arrival of fake items from China, especially this Christmas season.
Siyempre, minonitor ng maigi ng intelligence group natin yung shipment at noong sa tamang panahon ay ininspeksyon nila at doon nakita na bumungad na itong mga kalaman nito ay na-misdeclare, may violation ng intellectual property rights at yung iba nga walang kaukulang dokumento.
DepCom Lim said Aduana would destroy the seized counterfeit items to prevent their entry into the local market. Lim also denied that he was leaving the Bureau and transferring to the National Food Authority.
Lumalabas yung mga bali-balitang ganyan dahil paminsan-minsan kasi maraming mga lumalabas na balita na kinukonsider daw tayo para sa iba't ibang post like PIDEA, like BID, like NFA. Sa akin naman salamat kung tayo ay being considered for these positions.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.